So just make yourself comfortable wherever you are. You can close your eyes and just take 3 nice and deep breaths. And as you breathe out, just breathe out anything you do not need anymore. Feel the lightness in your body as you breathe in goodness, peace, self-love, acceptance, and breathe out anything that hinders you to heal, love, and accept and express yourself. And then I'd like you to imagine a brilliant light coming from the center of the sun and moving towards your soul star, 18 inches above your head. And it moves towards your soul star. And out loud, if you wish to, or in your mind, thank this beautiful light and give it permission to move through your chakras and your body. If the light is too bright, too harsh, just ask the light to shine a little softer and just feel the loving kindness that comes from the light. And know that whatever information is coming to you during this time, and a lot is still coming, will always be kind. It will be loving. And it will be for the betterment for yourself, your loved ones, and also the broader communities. There's a mudra that goes with acceptance of information, and that is when you put your thumb and your index finger together and the other finger straight, like this. And you can hold your hands like this on your lap as you start accepting the light moving through your soul star, through the beautiful purple lotus at the top of your head, the crown chakra, where the information of this light has a way to turn into knowing, wisdom. And it drops down through your indigo third eye. It's between your eyebrows. And this is your mind's eye. And make a commitment to yourself that you will no longer entertain any images in your mind's eye that is not to your benefit. And see your pineal gland glowing. And our time has come. The pineal gland time has come to give us the true wisdom and guidance that we really need. And just feel the love from your pineal gland. And then you move down to your deep blue or your light blue throat chakra. Where the light purifies your expression. So that it has the vibration of your true blueprint. The light goes down into the heart space, the heart chakra. And just feel the green loving energy of the heart chakra. This is the space where we can love, where we can heal, forgive and let go. It's in this space where we can move through our fears and where we will let go of the need to judge, label, compare, and ask why. And the time has come where we can start asking why, how, instead of why. Just feel the lightness in this heart chakra. And feel the lightness of your courage to know that you are part of this beautiful ascension that is already started for us. And you have the neutrality that will give you wings, and it will take you wherever you need to be. And when you drop down now to your solar plexus, the yellow chakra, just feel your own personal power. Your ability to set your boundaries and to move forward. Not with force and control, but determination. Taking along with you that which you need and leaving behind anything that holds you back. And drop down to the orange ball in your sacral chakra. That's the one of enjoyment, freedom, of movement, where you start creating the life that you would like to have and that you know that you deserve. And even though the fact of belonging to certain groups became also muddled, as Marlene said, we can go to the base chakra, the red one, and know that we do belong. We belong to the universe. We belong to the cosmos. And we belong to Source or God or the Creator more than anything else. Now you allow the light to drop through your Earth Star, right into Mother Earth. And just feel the warm welcome, gratitude, acceptance for you, your uniqueness, and what you are contributing to this wonderful time on Earth. And thank the light. And return your attention to your body, to your breathing. And if you are ready, you can open your eyes. You can even switch on your camera just to show us all that you are ready. And that we can just close. Will give us an indication of some kind. And the dogs are also excited. Thank you, Mandy. So. Okay. Anybody want to share something?